U.S. indices closing mixed despite the Dow Jones reaching another all-time high. Shares in consumer durables and apparel, media and telecommunication services sectors ending on a negative note, while shares in diversified financials, real estate and banks, they gained traction. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims dropping to 229,000 in the week ended October 28th. Compared to 234,000 the previous week. Continuing claims also declining to 1.88 million in the week ended October 21st from 1.9 million last week. Advancers ahead of decliners, 52% of SP500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, focus was on first Starbucks, which saw fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 55 cents versus 56 cents 1 year ago on net revenues of $5.7 billion. The company also reported comparable sales growth of 2%, falling short of 3.2% estimates, and Starbucks also announcing its decision to sell Tazo brand to Unilever for $384 million. Apple, meanwhile, revealing fourth quarter EPS of $2.07, beating estimates of $1.87 versus $1.67 last year on revenue of $52.6 billion against $46.9 1 year ago. The company reported fourth quarter iPhone units sold 46.7 million versus an estimated 46.1 million, while services revenue was up 34% year over year. Also, Goldman Sachs being examined by Singapore's authorities concerning the company's relationship with the Malaysian State Investment Fund 1MDB. This according to Bloomberg, citing sources. Turning overseas, the Asian markets mostly up today. The Nikkei was closed for a national holiday, while the Hang Seng up 0.3%. China CSI 300 down 0.11%, while South Korea's Kospi up just under 0.5%. European markets edging higher and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Duke Energy third quarter EPS seen at $1.55, Moody's third quarter EPS seen at $1.38, and American Corporation third quarter EPS seen at $1.41. On the economic docket this morning, 8:30, we have the October change in non-farm payrolls as well as the unemployment rate expected at 4.2%. We also have average hourly earnings and the trade balance for the month of September. Meanwhile, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have October ISM non-manufacturing composite as well as September factory orders excluding transportation and durable goods orders, while 10:45 in the morning, we have the October final market U.S. services and composite PMI reads. Now, turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees further upside while still being in focus. The relative strength index mixed with a bullish bias and the 20-period moving average crossing above the 50-period one, the bullish signal calling for further advance. Long positions above 25.71 are favored with targets at 25.81 and 25.85 in extension, while the Nasdaq sees further upside, preferring long positions above 62.28, and the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 23.430.